Imagine being confined in a cell, stripped of your freedom and anatomy. Now picture being pressured into practicing in medical experiments without fully understanding the risk or having the ability to say no. This is a reality that countless prisoners have faced and continue to endure. Medical experimentation on prisoners is a practice that sharply contrasts with the principles of ethic human rights. My topic today is medical experimentation on prisoners. This practice raises significant ethical, legal, and human rights concerns. I am qualified to talk about this because of my hours of research. To fully understand the gravity of this issue, we will explore the problem, the underlying cause, and potential solutions. Today, I will talk about the three main points of my speech. My first main point will discuss the problem. The practice of making use of inmates as a test subject for scientific studies in the medical field raises serious ethical concerns. According to a 2019 study by Dr. Alan Holblum, published in the Journal of Medical Ethics, prisoners have historically been subject to experiments without their informed consent, leading to physical and psychological harm. Furthermore, investigations by Dr. Richard Adams, published in the 2019 volume of the journal Correctional Healthcare, points out that prisoners often lack access to proper medical care outside of experimental treatments, making them more likely to participate out of the desperation. This study draws attention to the poor health care that prisoners receive, which may force them to take part of the research required treatment that they would not otherwise get. This leads me to my second point, the cause of the problem. The root cause of medical experimentation on prisoners stem from several factors. Dr. John Smith, in his 2018 book, Medical Ethics on Human Rights, argues the systematic power imbalances within the prison system contribute to the exploiting the inmates. Due to the natural power relations that exist between researchers and inmates, abuse and extortion are commonplace. commonplace. Smith works highlights how the authoritative nature of prisoners' facilities combined with the lack of freedom of inmates create a natural vulnerability and that researchers who lack morals can take advantage of. In addition, Dr. Rebecca Green's 2016 article in the Journal of Law, Medicine, and Ethics discussed how financial financial incentive provided by pharmaceutical companies and research institutions can motivate prisoners' administrations to allow experimentation, further compromising ethical standards. Green's article provides an in-depth analysis of the financial motivations behind allowing such experiments and how these incentives can override concerns for prisoners' welfare and rights. The last point I would like to go over is the potential solutions. We must put strong moral standards and control procedures in place for prisoners, medical experiments in order to solve this inmate immediate issue. In a 2021 paper published in the New England Journal of Medicine, Dr. Mitchell Lee argues in favor of the creation of impartial ethics review panels with a focus on prisoners. Before being approved, these boards would make sure that all research proposals are subjected to a thorough ethical review. According to Lee's paper, the boards should follow the model the board should follow the model that incorporates a broad membership with legal, ethical, and prisoners' rights experience to guarantee a thorough review procedure that puts the well-being of the inmates first. Additionally, a study by Dr. Sarah Williams from 2022 that was published in the Lancet suggestions regarding informed consent procedures so that convicts are completely aware of the purpose, advantages, and hazards of any experiment. There should be excessive procedure pressure and concern during this process, and it should be transparent. Comprehensive instructions for conducting informed consent in correctional settings are provided by Williams Study. These rules cover use of independent advocates to represent the interests of inmates and guarantee they are fully informed. In conclusion, performing medical experiments on inmates raises serious ethical issues requiring inmates' attention. By recognizing the problem, understanding its root cause, and implementing comprehensive solution, we can move towards a more ethical and human approach to medical research. In the quest of scientific knowledge, it is our shared duty to guarantee the rights and dignity of every person, including those incarcerated or restricted.